Alright, so what you're going to do is go to settings. You scroll down to your camera, and it's a camera setting. So mirror front camera. If you turn that on, then it will record the same way that you see it as you're looking at it. I look a mess, but don't judge me. Okay, so now when you're recording and say you point this way and that way, when you do it, it will be the same way. One thing you need to be mindful of is that if you're showing any text, it'll be backwards. So you see this? This will be backwards. So I'll record it real quick. Okay, so I can say this way, that way, this way, that way. Then when I'm playing it, it's the same way. But as you can see, quick is backwards. So that's one way you can handle it. Let me know if it works. Just a quick note that if you do not change this setting for the mirror front camera, then when you're recording, it will look backwards. But once it's recorded, everything will be the correct way and your text will not be backwards.